guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am here with another hair video showing you guys how I take my dark haired clients that are grown out to a very beautiful, more lived in, bright blonde. So first things first, I am going to mix up my lightener. I am using the Goldwell Oxycure lightener with a 20 volume, and I am mixing in B3 to save her hair's integrity and to keep it super intact and just in good condition. And I'm just going in and I'm parting where her volume weft is. She has volume weft sewed in, so we're just going to kind of foil around that. And I am just going in and doing a bunch of baby lights. I'm going to let you guys just go ahead and watch that, and then I will come back in when I need to explain something. Another little trick that I've learned while doing hair, I've been doing hair for 4 years and I'm still always learning, but this is one of the tricks that I really like to do when going over a previous blonde and kind of changing the pattern, or, if I have a new client and their highlighting pattern is nothing like mine, I'll go in and I will foil just like how I want to. And then towards the ends, I will see that there's low lights in between the bright blonde, right? But I don't want to overlap the bright blonde because it'll literally singe off. So to save their hair, I will go in and I will double foil. So you'll feather it down, and then you'll take your weaving comb and weave out the darker pieces, add in your next foil, and completely saturate those darker pieces so that those are highlighted as well, but you're leaving out the compromised brighter ends that you don't want to overlap the lightener on. So yes, double foiling is a lot more time consuming and more work, but in the end I've noticed such a big difference, and you don't have any weird harshness or discoloration towards their mids, and you have an even look from the roots to the ends. Okay, so now we are on to the hairline. With each client, you want to customize their foiling pattern with their hairline. With her, all I'm going to add brighter pieces in the front. I'm not going to do a full-on money piece. Obviously, TikTok has made that even more of a thing, but today we're just going to do some brighter pieces in the front, and it's going to highlight her face perfectly. So all I'm doing are 2 back-to-back slices, and when I say slices, I mean the same size of sectioning as I've been doing the baby lights. So very thin, very small. The bigger the section, the more yellow your client's hair is going to pull, and I want everything to be even. So you have to continue doing very thin slicing, very thin baby lighting if you want everything to look even and the same. So I'll do the 2 back-to-back slices, and then after that I will continue baby lighting, and then we are on to the sides. With the sides, I like to do diagonal partings because they just fall a lot more natural and they don't look as stripy, I guess. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and I'll let you just watch that and stop rambling and Alright, so now we're on to the Taproot and Toner. So for her root, I decided that I would do a 4N with Shadesy Q, and the reason for that is because that's the same as her base. With Shadesy Q, it'll turn out a little bit lighter than her base color, but that way it'll grow out nicely, it'll be seamless, there will be no lines, and she can go a long time without getting it redone again. So we did that for her Taproot. So going in, we're just going to go right over that line where the foil starts and eliminate it. So it's just going to create a seamless look. And when I get to the front pieces, I like to do those last. So I'll leave them out while I do the sides, and then I do the front pieces right at the end so that there's less time processing and that they're a little bit brighter. Now we are on to her toner. So I mixed up this concoction and I'm actually in love with it. I want to use it all the time. It's a 10VV and a 9P in Shadesy Q as well. And it just turned out so pretty, such a beigey, icy tone while still being bright. Okay, so here's a quick little refresh for you guys. Here's the before and the after. You guys, I can't tell you how obsessed I am with this color, but I'm here for it. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.